using an offshore or an outsourced team to build your core product, it certainly poses certain risks, right? One of them is the valuation risk. Your entire core team is outside of your company, and a team is actually a major part of the valuation of a company. It's idea plus execution, right? A startup is an idea plus execution, and team is execution, basically. So what happens in those situations? I mean, I myself have worked in the Bay Area, Silicon Valley for quite a few years with startups, and this is a well understood problem for every startup. I mean, they would like to take advantage of the global talent pool, right, and ramp up faster. But at the same time, once the startup becomes successful and you have major chunk of your team outside of your formal legal company, right, that could raise questions about the valuation itself. This is something we have thought about, and our company itself is named as Fission Labs. Fission, as in nuclear fission, is where things come apart, right? Actually, we envisage startups coming out of fission, basically. That's why we named it as Fission Labs. So, what we do, we work with those. I mean, a lot of these startups we have worked with earlier, a few of them went to be great successes. So one of them had more than 150 million users across the globe. The other one was in advertising, right? So both were acquired by others. So what happened with them was when they came to a point where valuation became a concern, where they were at Series B or Series C kind of funding rounds, right? And the VC started asking about these questions, the risks to not having the core team inside. That's when we proposed. I mean, it's a win-win for all of them. That's how we saw it, because that's how we designed our company as well. We actually took out the team that's working for that particular company and made it into a separate company, which is fully owned, 100% owned by the client company, basically, a subsidiary within India. And we helped them get through the entire process, establish that company, run it, even help run that company for a year or two, right? And move forward. So that way they preserve, I mean, they get both the advantages of a fast ramp up, getting access to global talent, and at the same time owning their own talent and not having a negative impact on their valuations. And of course, right, what happens is both the client company benefits from this, right, as already discussed. The employees also benefit from this. From day one, they too have a feel that, I mean, they are part of not only Fission, but also the client company itself, right? And they get their stock option. I mean, they could potentially get the stock option similar to what the US employees would get, right? And feel part of that company. And at the same time, Fission also benefits. Fission benefits from the business deal of actually carving out this piece, right? Eventually, what happens is we all together, both the client and Fission, create value together. And that value can certainly be shared with Fission, with the employees, and the actual company itself. So it's a win-win for everyone.